Since this month is a special month for me, I've decided to do a theme that recently became very meaningful to me. It is rain. The cover page is an umbrella where I colored it with blue and purple. I had to make sure that the ink is dry before writing over it, whilst the blue outline was smudged. I then added raindrops dripping from the umbrella, and it's done. This month, I added these little people to the theme. These characters have round head, a tiny fringe, and wears a hoodie. They get their shades from this large leaf that the character will be holding very often. I apologize for the many out of frames moments. I have shifted to a new place and I can't find a good position to capture my whole journal. I wasn't very good at multitasking between managing the angle of the camera and journaling. I would need more practice to find better angle or to shift my journal around as I record it. As you can see, I like to mix the wet medium with color pencil sketches on top of it. The wet medium sort of gives it a base, whereas the sketches provides extra texture. I used my white ball pen to draw the lines of the calendar boxes. It's only slightly visible, and then I colored the outline, the outermost border, with purple color pencil. I chose the font to be thinner and longer so that it matches with my cover August word. I added the raindrops here and there, and it's done. This month, I want to note down the lessons I've learned instead of places I've traveled. It does not have to be textbook knowledge. The lessons can be anything from insights of daily life to pieces of information from online or even observations around me. I realized that it's very easy for me to forget this information, which could be useful in the future, either for my work or for my relationship. What are the lessons you have learned this month? Would you like to share in the comment? Habits will be tracked on an umbrella vase. My house keeps umbrella in a tall vase. The handle of the umbrellas will look like flowers spreading out of the mouth of the vase, just like what I'm drawing now. And of course I won't forget these little guys on my habit tracker. They're trying to climb on another vase besides the umbrella using ladder. I shaded the corners of the vase using my color pencil to give it more three-dimensional look. And then drew white lines to separate the Saturdays and Sundays so that I know which week it will be. shaded the portion of the umbrella alternatively so that I can write on them. I'll be tracking my usual stuff, habits, like health habits, lifestyle habits, and whether I contact my family members or not. When I'm done, I just shade the background. I'm so sorry for the out of frame moments again. And it's completed. My mood tracker is of course a piece of cloud raining raindrops. This is the only thing that came to my mind when I want to prepare my mood tracker. I drew the box the same way I did for my calendar, using white pen and shade the sides of it with purple. I'm gonna track my mood using these raindrops, and then I write my dates inside these boxes. The first week of my weekly planner will be an umbrella. The second week is ripples. The third week is a roadside image of cars splashing water. And the fourth are water running down the glass. And the fifth week is water coming off the roof. Lastly, my check-in spread I have did it earlier because I took too much time drawing. And I didn't forget this little guy at the last page of my bullet journal. Here I added a label so that I can flip through this month easily. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!